How to make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2026? Well, by getting free traffic from Pinterest and from Google. So first thing we need to do, we need to find products that we wish to promote. So I'm here on Digistore24 marketplace, and here let's say for example that I'm in workout niche. I will search workout, and then here I will scroll and I will choose English language. So it will show me only products, workout products that are on English language. Ultimate workout, home workout Bible, 28-day military workout plan. Now this looks interesting, and here you can see I can make $14 on average per sale. So this looks good, okay? So what I need to do, I need to check out this keyword here, military workout, to see does anybody actually search this on Pinterest, okay? And also I need to check out competitions. So I will come here on Pinterest and I will search this keyword, military workout, okay? And I'm guessing competition is big, and here you can see 20,000 saves, 7,000 saves. So here you can see 170 saves. So competition is medium, but people are obviously searching this. So let's just see how many people search this keyword on Pinterest. So I'm here on keysearch.co and I will paste that keyword, okay? Click here on search, confirm that I'm not robot, give it a few seconds. And here I can see military workout plan. That is even better. That is exact keyword that this product is targeting. Military workout plan. So here we can see 3,600 people is searching this on Pinterest every month. Military workout program, 3,600. Military workout, here you can see 2,400 people is searching this, okay? So let's just see, because competition for this keyword is medium, let's just see, are there any better keywords? So I will simply do this. And here you can see military workout for women, military workouts for men, schedule, workouts at home, and so on and so on. So let's say, for example, military workouts for men. I will click here to check out the competition. And competition is more and less same, okay? It is a medium competition, okay? So I need to see search volume for this keyword here. So I will simply copy this and I will go back here and I paste that keyword here, confirm that I'm not a robot, and give it a few seconds. And here we can see military workout for men, only 10 searches per month. Now that is not a lot, but let's just go back here and I will search some other keyword. For example, military workouts at home, okay? Just to see competition. Competition is actually not that strong. This is actually a better keyword. So let's just check out search volume for this keyword, okay? And I will paste the keyword here, confirm that I'm not a robot, give it a few seconds. And here you can see 720 searches per month. That is much better, okay? So what often happens is that these keywords that will help you rank high on Pinterest search results also will rank high on Google search results. So let's just say search volume for this keyword here on Google, okay? So I will come here on Google Keyword Planner and I will search for that keyword, okay? And then click here on Get Results. And I targeted United States, as you can see here. Here you can see search volume between 1,000 and 10,000 searches per month. Competition is medium, okay? And like I said, this targets only United States. And here you can see some related keywords. So overall, this is a good keyword. So now I need to write an article that I will use to promote this product here, 28-day military workout plan, okay? So what I need to do, I need to go here on ChatGPT, and then here I need to give it a prompt. So I can say something like this, for example, write me a title for this keyword, military workouts at home. Optimize this title for high CTR. CTR stands for click-through rate. And now ChatGPT will give me some suggestions for this title, for this article. And I need to choose one of these titles. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this title here, okay? Here you can see no gym, no problem. Military workouts at home for beginners, okay? This looks like a good title. It will get me lots of clicks. but now I need an article, so I will give it a new prompt. So I can say something like this, for example, write me a search engine optimized article targeting my main keyword, military workouts at home, and my secondary keyword, military workout plan for men. Also include a detailed description on how to do at least 3 exercises. The purpose of this article is to promote an affiliate product. And press enter, and now ChatGPT will write this article for me. Now you need to publish this article somewhere. If you can publish this article on your blog, on your website, that is by far best option. So I will actually publish this article on Blogger blog. So I will first copy this title here, okay? Control C, and I will go here on Blogger. Blogger is owned by Google. Click here on a new post, okay? And here I need to give it a title. This is my title, and now I need to open this article with the eye-catchy image. So here I will go on Vecteezy. Okay, and here I can find royalty-free images, or you can simply use AI to create these images, okay? And press enter just to see what I will get, okay? And here I will sort this by free license, okay? And here I can see some related images that are actually really good royalty-free images that I can use, okay? So let me just find one that is best for my article. Okay, so let's just choose one of these. Let's say, for example, I wish to use this image here. I will simply click on it, click here on download, and I will actually proceed with the download. Give it a few seconds. Because this is free, you need to watch this ad, okay? And it downloaded this image. So now I need to go back here on Blogger. I need to click here, and I need to click here, upload from your computer, okay? And let me just click here on browse, and I will say on desktop, and let's just find that photo. This is the photo. Give it a few seconds to upload this photo. Okay, it uploaded photo, so I will click here, and I will say large, okay? Click here on update, and now I need to go back here on ChatGPT, and I need to copy my entire article that ChatGPT wrote for me. So I will simply copy this entire article, okay? And Control C, go back here on Blogger, and I will paste that here, okay? Here you can see how this looks. Of course, you will format this much better. So now let me just click here on preview to see how this article actually looks, okay? And this is how it looks. Actually, it looks really good. This formatting is really good. So let me just close this, okay? So now what I need to do, I need to go back here on Digistore24. I need to click here on promote now, okay? Click here, copy promo link. And now I need to go back here, and I need to add my Digistore24 affiliate link. So let's say, for example, I will add my link here, okay? Click on this little chain, paste that link here, and click on apply, and that's it. I added my Digistore24 affiliate link, and I will add it on another place. So for example, let's just say I will add my affiliate link here as well, okay? So I will simply paste that link here, click apply, and that's it. So now what we need to do, we need to add some images and some videos that will follow these exercises, because when we click here on preview, here you can see that this article is actually boring without images or without videos, okay? It's just text. Images and videos will make it more interesting, more readable. So what I need to do, I need to go back here on ChatGPT, and I need to give it a new prompt. So I will say something like this. For example, give me a detailed script for exercise number 1 for a short video, and press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me a detailed script. So next thing I need to do, I need to go here on Grok, and I need to click here on create an image. And then I need to click here, choose a video, and here I will choose 2:3 aspect ratio. And now I need to go back here on ChatGPT, and I need to copy this script, okay? So let's say, for example, I will copy just this first scene, okay? I will copy this, Control C, and I will go back here on Grok, and I will paste that here. Okay, and then press enter. And now Grok will create this video for me. Now you need to create scenes, each of these scenes, and you need to merge these scenes in one short video. Okay, here you can see between 35 and 40 seconds will be long this video. Okay, so let's see what Grok did. Okay, 57%. It will finish soon. Okay,
military strength without a gym?
So let's just check out this. And let's just check out this video.
Real military strength without a gym? Start with this.
Okay, this looks really good. This is an opening scene for this exercise here. Now this can make a really good video. So what I need to do? I need to simply click here on download, okay? And I need to download that video. So what I need to do next? I need to go back here. So let me close this. And I need to upload that video on the exercise number 1. So I will simply click here, okay? And then you can click here on the video, upload from the computer. And let me just click here on browse. And I will go here on downloads. This is the video. Click here on open and give it a few seconds to upload this video, okay? And this is the video. It is currently processing this video. And you need to do that for each of these exercises, okay? And when I click here on preview, let's just see how this looks now, okay? And this is how it looks now. It is much better, right? Because now you have not just written instructions for this exercise, but you also have a video instruction for this exercise, okay? So what you need to do also, you need to go here on Pinterest and you need to click here on create, okay? And you need to click here on create a pin. And you need to click here and you need to upload that pin that video that you just created, okay? And give it a few seconds. And now you need to optimize your Pinterest pin. It is really important to optimize your pin, okay? And in my previous video, I showed you how to optimize Pinterest pins for high search result ranking on Pinterest, okay? You need to add title, you need to add description, you need to choose right board, you need to add tags, and you need to also add alt text. And after that, just click here on publish, and that's it. You will publish this video. So what I would recommend you to actually create videos for each of these exercises here. Of course, you will add more exercises. I added just 3 exercises, but you will add more exercises, okay? And you need to create a video for each exercise. And you need to upload those videos on your article, but also you need to upload those videos separately on Pinterest. Why? Because in that way you will increase your chances of ranking high on Pinterest search results. And in that way you will increase your chances of getting traffic, free traffic from Pinterest. But also what you need to do, you need to start building backlinks to that article on your blog or website, because as we saw, you can rank this article not just on Pinterest, but you can also rank it high on Google search results, okay? And you will start getting traffic not just from Pinterest, but you will also get traffic, free traffic, organic traffic from Google as well. Now, this is really important, guys. Now, you saw that many people tell you that you need to be consistent and you need to post pins every day. But you probably did that and you didn't get results. Now, the reason why you need to stay consistent is because if you make just 1 pin per week, you won't learn anything. But if you make 3, 4, 5 pins every day, next 3, 4, 5 months, you will start learning. You will learn how to make better pins. You will learn what your audience wants. You will start making better call to action to start getting more clicks, to start getting more free traffic from Pinterest, okay? And that is why you need to be consistent. You need to make 3, 4 pins every day, because you wish in that way you will learn, okay? And when you learn, you will start getting free traffic. It takes time, it takes work, but you will start getting traffic from Pinterest, but also from Google. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.